Going to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. What seemed like science fiction is now becoming a reality. But traveling through space and living in microgravity conditions is all but fun and play. Although they are a unique and fascinating experience, long-term stays in space will have negative effects on the human body. In fact, many astronauts that have been working on the International Space Station are unwell when they return from their missions. IMMUNO2 is part of the vast array of scientific experiments of the Horizons Mission 2018 aboard the International Space Station. It studies how stress factors affect our immune system, both in space and on Earth, with the goal of developing new preventive and therapeutic measures for astronauts who have been to space or will travel to space, as well as for seriously ill patients on Earth. What weakens the human immune system? The IMMUNO2 experiment is a follow-on from previous research into the function of the immune system during prolonged stays of humans in space, as the body adapts to hostile environments. The human body's adequate function in space is challenged by numerous stress factors: psychological, physiological, and physical. As a result, the immune system is targeted by a multitude of hormones, hormone-like substances, and radiation effects, leading to an imbalance of immune functions that can result in diseases. In addition to weightlessness and radiation, various other things can weaken the astronaut's immune system, especially stress factors such as isolation, heavy workloads, and disruption of sleep patterns. On Earth, we face comparable problems. Both healthy and critically ill people must contend with threats to their immune system, in some cases triggered by these very same stress factors. What is more, confinement and other stress factors can affect cognitive and emotional functions and could even cause affective problems, which can negatively impact immunity. IMMUNO2 takes a holistic approach to this problem. Instead of looking at these disruptive factors separately, the experiment combines biochemical analysis and psychological tests to correlate changes to the immune system and hormone levels of astronauts with their stress levels. Before, during, and after the space missions, astronauts' blood, saliva, and hair samples are collected and examined in the laboratory on Earth. In addition, electrocardiograms are recorded before and during the mission. The oxygen content in the blood is determined, the astronaut's activity is thoroughly recorded, and various psychological tests are performed. Comparisons with isolation and bed rest studies on Earth provide insights into the role of the individual factors that balance the immune system. This information is a prerequisite for the development of therapeutic measures and could help in the development of pharmacological tools to help in the recovery from such conditions. Advances in the holistic understanding of the relationship between stress and the immune system are important for people of the modern burnout generation, but also play a key role for intensive care patients. With a better understanding of how stress factors determine the population's overall health, we will be better equipped to tackle some problems that affect our society today, like the gross value-added loss due to an increasingly incapacitated workforce and the significant rise in the number of people suffering from stress-related mental illnesses. With the help of projects on the ISS and on Earth, scientists are trying to shed light on the causes of stress-related illnesses and develop effective countermeasures for life on Earth and beyond.